And they're off in the Fairgrounds Oaks. Danette was slow to go. Here's Junie going out toward the lead with I'm a Chatterbox right there vying for it too. The outside is Shook Up, and Forever Unbridled holds her spot at the rail. Desert Valley moving through underneath of Audrey's double between fillies. Tuck Yellow running in the three path, and early on we trail back to Danette, who's running in eighth as they go to the back of the track. The quarter in 23 and 3/5 seconds. So Junie has the lead here for James Graham. It's Junie out in front of I'm a Chatterbox, who's right there spying the leader for Florent Giroux. I'm a Chatterbox second by a length. Forever Unbridled nestled in toward the rail third for Brian Hernandez Jr. Shook Up fourth on the outside by 4. And Desert Valley together with Audrey's double. It's a break of 4 more to Tuck Yellow and 6 lengths astern to Danette. They go past the half-mile pole. Junie continues to lead the way from I'm a Chatterbox. Half mile in 47 seconds flat. They turn again. I'm a Chatterbox now making this move. I'm a Chatterbox has taken the lead with 3 furlongs to go. Shook Up looms on the outside. Junie has dropped back. Forever Unbridled now moves up outside of Junie as they come toward the top of the stretch. Audrey's double is 5th. Then Tuck Yellow, Desert Valley. Danette is last. I'm a Chatterbox is first past the quarter pole. 3/4, 1:11 flat. I'm a Chatterbox coming down for the final furlong. Shook Up is in full stretch. Toward the rail, Forever Unbridled third. It is I'm a Chatterbox. Shook Up, Forever Unbridled, past the 16th. I'm a Chatterbox, the filly star of the meet. I'm a Chatterbox with a hat trick of stakes wins and the Fairgrounds Oaks champion. I'm a Chatterbox. Shook Up was second, Forever Unbridled third, and Danette finished fourth. 143 4/5 in the Fairgrounds Oaks.